Hello everyone. Let's look at how we can draw this particular drawing in 3D. So it's an orthographic drawing of a block shown with its dimensions. So basically we're just going to draw this front elevation. Then we're going to draw these particular circles. Then we're going to also draw other rectangles on it, press pull them. Then at the end, we're just going to simply subtract all these solids from this main block so that we can have this particular drawing in the 3D. So we should make sure that our AutoCAD is on. So we'll make sure that also we are drawing in the 3D workspace, 3D modeling. We have our author on. We also have our object snaps on. Then we come to home. The first thing that we need to do, we need to draw this part. We can draw this as the front. So what we need to do, we're going to draw this one first. We're going to draw 65, then this whole length. So as you can see, this is supposed to be, this is 25. This is 25, which is 50. So there it has been given. This one is 90. So 90 and 65. So that is what we need to draw from the front. So we have that. Zoom out a bit. Come to home. Change our coordinates to view. So we have 90 being the first part. Then tab. We have 65. Then enter. So that is the front bit. And then afterwards. So we have this. So we're going to draw a circle at the center point. So this one. Then drop it downwards. So this is what we mean. So the circle has, as you can see from here, as you can see from this particular front elevation, I mean the plan is that the circle has a diameter of 40. So we're going to draw that. So we need a circle center diameter from the midpoint, diameter of 40, then enter. After having that, we'll push it down. We push it down a distance. So from this point downwards, if this is 45, it means we need to push it downwards a distance of 20. So this is 20, 20 to make this 25 to make 65. So we'll push it downwards a distance of 20. So we come to move, and select, enter, move it from the midpoint downwards a distance of 20, then enter. Then afterwards, we have this particular circle as well. As you can see from this pattern, it has a radius of 15. So we need to draw these two circles of radius 15. So from this point, if the radius is 15, the diameter is 30. Enter. Then I'll copy this from the midpoint to this other point, to this other end point. Then I'm going to drop them downwards so that the distance from this point to the quadrant is 20. So to do that, we can have a guide, we can have a line here. Then offset this line a distance of 20 upwards. Then I can have this and this. Then move them from that point, the section, to that end point. Then I can delete this. Coming back to our diagram, we need to have a solid here and also a solid here so that you can subtract them from our drawing. So we need to have a rectangle. From shift right click, the quadrant upwards to this point. Also we need to have this same one the other side, so we'll copy from that point to that point. It's supposed to be the other side, so I'll move it from this point to that point. Then also we need to have a rectangle at the center point of our circle, all the way to the quadrant upwards. So again, we'll have a guideline first, so shift right click, then quadrant, so the quadrant upwards. Then now we can draw a rectangle from that end point to that main point, and we can copy the same. Then enter from this end point to that end point. So I can delete this. Okay, so that is what we have. So we need to press pull each of these. So the press pull distance is 20. So we come to home. Then press pull each object. So in any case, you can just press pull this particular inner point, a distance of 20, then enter. Then you can select the polylines, right click, select similar, then we delete. So basically that is it. You can change our visual style to conceptual, turn our ECS world on. So as you can see, that is the block that we are supposed to model. As you can see from the question, this is the orthographic view, and this is the isometric view, drawn in 3D and also drawn in AutoCAD 3D modeling. So thank you for listening to me. Thank you for attending this tutorial. Be sure to catch on the other exercises and other tutorials for your learning. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel for more of these particular exercises and tutorials. So thank you. Let's meet in the next exercise.